Greece has always been on the top of my bucket list, and I'm sure it's on yours too. The blue domes on Instagram are to die for, and I must say, it definitely exceeded all of my expectations. We started our journey in Athens. During the day, we adventured through historical streets and tiny alleyways. A travel tip for sure would be to have dinner at a rooftop hotel, one that especially overlooks the Acropolis. It looks straight out of a magical movie at night. Now on to Santorini. Hands down, the most romantic place I've ever been to. The sun made me feel like a goddess. We were shocked at how many people were waiting to see the sunset. We panicked because we didn't have a reservation. We found an incredible restaurant that was ironically called Sunset. The view from the top was jaw-dropping. Now off to Mykonos. The journey to get there was ridiculous and the lines were so crazy. I was so happy we got there early, otherwise it 100% would have felt like cattle. Maybe it's time to become a vegan. Mykonos was like Ibiza meets Amalfi Coast. The visuals were beautiful and the parties were off the hook. Mykonos was meant to be explored, and the best way to do so is on an ATV. You have to check out Scorpios in Mykonos. It was like a wild party that I've never seen before. Literally everyone was beautiful, and of course I was underdressed, but I had one of the best nights of my life. Join us next time for Albania and Croatia, where we went to a wedding and King's Landing.